So Gav, the next sort of pre-installation or pre-purchase check we recommend people make before purchasing a kettle is that they've got a power supply or a socket underneath their sink. Could you just talk us through that, please?
Yeah, so ideally what you do want is that you want the power for the boiler on its own supply going to the ring main.
Okay, and that's just a 13 amp plug, is it?
Yeah, that's all it is, yeah.
Okay, and what about if you haven't got that, you've got an old kitchen, all the wiring's already done, you're trying to retrofit a kettle, you haven't got the option of doing that. What about if you've got an appliance sort of either side of the sink and some power to that already?
Yeah, so in that situation we just recommend that you just contact your local electrician, and all that he'll be able to do is just spur off the nearest power supply and then run a power socket underneath your sink for you.
Okay, and what about an extension lead? If somebody was thinking, well, I don't really want to go to the cost of that, or calling somebody out, could you just use an extension lead to go from an existing socket for a kettle?
No, that's not something that we recommend.
No, so best to avoid.
Yeah.
Okay.